we're going to rationalize the denominator. What's that mean? Get the square root out of the bottom. Okay? To get the square root out of the bottom, we're going to multiply by whatever the square root is on the bottom. Okay? So for 17, I have the square root of 5 over the square root of 2. I don't want denominators in the bottom. So, no, radicals in the bottom. Denominators would be in the bottom. Something like that. Alright, so square root of 2 is your denominator. So I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by the square root of 2. Okay? Stuff that's under the radical gets multiplied together. So I end up with the square root of 10 over the square root of 4. Does the square root of 10 simplify anymore? Does the square root of 4 simplify? So then we're going to simplify that again. So I have the square root of 10 over 2. That's your final answer. 2 does not get divided into the square root of 10. You have something not in a radical and something in a radical. That stuff can't be put together. Just like when you have 1 plus 2x. That's not 3x. You can't put stuff with a variable if you're adding and subtracting to stuff without a variable. So 18. If you have a question, interrupt me. 4 square roots of 3 over the square root of 2. We're going to complicate this a little bit. I'm going to put a 3 out here. So I got 3 square roots of 2 on the bottom. So the top and the bottom get multiplied by 3 square roots of 2. So stuff outside gets multiplied together. Stuff inside gets multiplied together. So this 4 and this 3 get multiplied together, and what do I get? 12. And then the stuff under the radical gets multiplied together, so what do I get? 6. Okay. Same idea on the bottom. Those 3's are going to get multiplied together because they're outside of the radical. So I have 9. The 2's get multiplied together, and I get the square root of 4. What's the square root of 4? 2. Alright. So 12 square roots of 6 over 9 times 2, which is 18. So I have 12 square roots of 6 over 18. 18 can go into the 12, but it can't go into the square root of 6. So 12 divided by 18, what goes into 12 and to 18? 6. 6 goes into 12 how many times? 2 root 6 over 3.